So today we'll be comparing text. So our I can statement is I compare how different authors prepare their text. So far, readers, we've been looking at text features, central idea, summaries, and author's purpose. Today we're going to be looking at how authors can present their writing in similar and different ways. We're going to review 2 articles that we've already read. All right, we're going to look at these items in the articles. What text features did they use, like headings, photos, captions, titles? Do they have any charts or diagrams? How do these change the article? Are they on the same topic? Are all the central ideas the same? So the first one we're going to look at is the Venus flytrap. We read this the other day. And in the Venus flytrap, we're going to look at the items that they have. Okay? So we're going to be looking at Venus flytrap. And the second is spinning thunderstorms. Okay, so let's look at what text features did they use. Okay, Venus flytrap. I see a title. I see a picture, an illustration, and a caption. Okay, I'm looking for any other text features. I don't see any more. Then I'm going to scroll down to spinning thunderstorms, and I'm going to say, I see a title. I see illustrations and captions. This one has headings, which is different from the other one. I see, when I get down here farther, I see a map. They've included a map, which the Venus flytrap didn't do, and more headings. Okay, so they are different in that Spinning Thunderstorms has more text features than the Venus flytrap. Okay, we're also going to look at how do these things change the article. Well, when I think about this one, I look at how this has just that one picture, and it's not really grabbing my attention. There's a lot more words that are in there and not a lot of pictures and color and things for me to look at to help me understand. But when I look at Spinning Thunderstorms, I definitely see lots of pictures to keep me interested in the text, to show me exactly what it looks like, to give me more understanding. But those headings that they include also help me organize my information. So maybe the organization could have been better on the Venus flytrap. Okay, let's look up here. Are they on the same topic? Well, this is about the Venus flytrap, and the other is about tornadoes. So at first glance, they don't seem to be on the same topic. You know, one's a plant and one's a storm. But when you think about it, they are on the same topic if you think of that they're both about things in nature. So they could be on a similar topic. But their central ideas or main ideas are very different. All right, our central idea on the Venus flytrap is that it's an insect, it's a plant that eats insects to stay alive. Whereas the central idea of thunderstorms is that a tornado is a funnel-shaped wind that is in the form of a funnel when it touches the ground. So they have very different central ideas. So today we're going to see how you're going to do your work. There is a copy of this chart that you're going to be using later on. You don't need to do this now, but we are comparing informational authors here. So I did an example of what this would look like with our 2 articles up above. All right, so I have the title of the article on each. The author is on each. So it says the author of Venus flytrap is ReadWorks. The author of the Spinning Thunderstorms is the American Museum of Natural History. So first, I'm going to put down the central idea. All right. So the central idea of Venus flytrap is that it is a plant that eats insects. Spinning thunderstorms is a tornado in a funnel shape of wind that forms a funnel-like shape when it touches the ground. Okay. So I can definitely see that although the topics of nature are the same, they have different central ideas. They teach me different information. And then I'm going to list the important details, the big details, not the tiny ones, the big details that support our central idea up here. So I just listed my 3 important details. It has leaves that open to catch its prey. The trap will open for 12 hours. If an insect isn't caught in it, it takes 5 to 12 days to digest the insect and open back up. For the spinning thunderstorms text, I said that winds moving in opposite directions cause the winds to be encircling, which causes the tornado to form. Tornado Alley is where the most tornadoes form in the U.S., and radar is used to track and predict when tornadoes will form. Remember, we did this the other day. And then I'm going to list the different text features. So I said we found title, a picture, and caption in Venus Flytrap. And in Spinning Thunderstorm, they had title, headings, illustrations, captions, and a map. Overall, when I look at this, I can say they have a similar topic, but very different central ideas with very different details. And they have different text features. And that the Venus Flytrap doesn't have as many text features, doesn't gain my interest, and they don't help me as much as in Spinning Thunderstorms. They have more pictures, they have headings to organize it, more captions, and even a map to help me understand. So today, for your independent work, you're going to be completing a chart on comparing informational authors. And I'm going to give you 2 different texts to look at.